Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Jeep Gladiator's tire pressure sensor. First, make sure all your tires are inflated to the correct PSI, usually found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This is a crucial first step for an accurate reset. Next, get into your Gladiator and turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine just yet. This prepares the system for the reset process. Now, let's talk about inflation. You'll want to inflate all 4 tires to the manufacturer's recommended PSI. For many Jeep Gladiators, this is often around 36 PSI, but always double-check your specific vehicle's sticker. Using a good quality tire pressure gauge ensures you get accurate readings, which is vital for the sensor to reset correctly. Proper inflation not only helps the sensor, but also improves your vehicle's handling and fuel efficiency. Once your tires are correctly inflated, it's time to drive. You'll need to drive your Jeep Gladiator at a speed above 15 mph. Maintain this speed for at least 10 to 20 minutes. This driving period allows the vehicle's computer to relearn the new tire pressures and recognize that the issue has been resolved. During this time, the TPMS warning light on your dashboard should turn off automatically, indicating a successful reset. If the TPMS light remains on after driving, don't worry. First, recheck all tire pressures to ensure no slow leaks. Sometimes, a faulty sensor might be the culprit, requiring replacement. For persistent issues, a professional diagnostic tool can pinpoint the exact problem. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your tires properly maintained is key for safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.